Mama, is it not flashing? Is it being silly? Mama, close to my makeup.
Guys, my name is Sweet.
My name is Chloe.
And we are best friends.
And we're doing makeup.
Yeah, so today we are going to do a makeup tutorial.
Yeah.
So, we were gonna start to do with Chloe.
Yay.
Yeah, so we are only do this, guys, for just for fun. Isn't it, Chloe?
Yeah.
Only for fun. Yeah, so we will start with the moisturizer.
What's a moisturizer?
This is for make your skin very smooth.
Mama, rub it out.
Okay, of course. So, what do you think of your moisturizer?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Mama.
Let's have a look with your moisturizer. Okay. And then, this is only for fun, Chloe, isn't it?
Yeah. Tickle. Tickle.
Tickle, tickle. So, this is a foundation.
Wow, what's that?
So, because this foundation is for Mommy's skin tone, which is a little bit darker, so probably doesn't suit you very well. Because you are brighter than Mommy's skin, isn't it, Chloe? Oh
yeah.
dear.
Oh
my God.
It's seriously, dude.
Seriously, yeah.
Oh, did you... Ow!
Oh.
Owie.
So,
Da-da-da.
what will be next?
I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah.
Do you
So,
ever makeup?
we will get a powder.
Powder.
Yeah.
That, I love that.
Yeah, and we are using a Stay Matte next.
Stay Matte.
Yeah, Stay Matte next. So, we'll spread it up. This is what they call blend. Blend, blend, blend.
Mama, what's blend called?
Blend is when you spread it properly.
It's not spreading properly.
Spreading properly. That's right.
It sounds like grandma that is.
Is it? Let me see.
Gee,
Look at me. Wow!
I'm a giant.
You're a giant, no, not. Alright, next is...
I love this.
You love this?
Yeah,
You're
can I
enjoying
do it?
yourself.
Can I do it, Mama?
You can't see yourself, aren't you? Only Mama.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so let's do this. How does it feel?
So,
Soft. Is it really soft?
yeah.
Well, your eyeliner is better than Mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the next one. This is only for fun.
Yeah. But this makeup is only for grown-ups, but it's only for fun.
For fun, isn't it, Chloe?
Yeah. Should I put the makeup on yet?
Please don't copy this at home. We are only doing it for fun, isn't it, Chloe?
Yeah, we are.
You sure? Come here, look at me. I need to make it sure that it's the same. Wow!
I'm a giant full pie head. Full pie head.
Yeah. And then
What's that?
this is for eyeliner. So close your eyes. You're beautiful. Do you know that you're beautiful?
Yeah, I know that.
You know that? How did you know?
I don't know.
Who told you you're beautiful?
I don't know.
No? You don't know? Of course you know.
Of course I don't know. Why should I? Why should I know?
Let me see.
Why
Whoa.
should I know? Why should I know?
Because you are very pretty.
Oh yeah.
Close your eyes. Relax your eyelid. Wonderful. So, mommy put pink and blue. You can check. You can look at in the mirror. Yeah, close your eyes. Wonderful. Okay. So this time, what we are going to do is put our...
What's that?
This is blush on.
Blush on? Can I see?
Yeah.
Ah. Oh,
Yeah, it's pretty.
shiny.
Shiny and sparkly. So we start our blush on from here.
That goes.
Is it tickle?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah, tickly. Tickly. Uh,
Wow. Okay. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, so this time, this is the best part. What is it?
Lipstick.
Lipstick. Okay, so what we need to do is,
I checked out my lipstick.
yeah, that's absolutely, you need to open your mouth. Beautiful. Huh? I can quite.
And then I can look in the mirror.
Yeah, I'll tell you when I'm ready, okay?
Got my dry lips.
Help you.
Yeah.
Well, we need to put something on that later. But for now,
Yeah, makeup.
hang on, because it... Hang on, I need to get... Hang on.
Makeup. Magical. It's magical.
Okay, now what I need you to do is you do like this. Don't bite it. Hang on. It's still not fixed. So to fix that, we need to put a little bit of powder. Oh, you want to see yourself in the mirror?
Wow.
What do you feel? What do you think about it?
Good.
Good. You do like this. No, don't put on your lips. Okay, that's perfect.
Now it's you.
Now we were gonna fix your hair.
But Mama, now it's you, Mama. But Mama, now it's you.
Yeah?
Yeah. Shall we do this together?
Yeah.
Then gonna choose pink and blue red for Tuesday. Then a little bit of that. And my time to put on you. Let's have no. My time to put on you.
Okay, hang on. Let me fix your hair.
Okay. This way and the way we have
So what do you think of your makeup?
good
Good.
and it's looks
You sure?
yeah a little bit. Time to put on you, Mama.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm gonna do this. Hi.
Hi. So So look at my little
Leah's
lady.
doing makeup in because it's Mummy's turn because I go first. Then it's Mummy.
Yeah.